A rapid egg cooker is a game changer if you're after a quick, easy way to cook eggs. These compact devices simplify, making everything from soft to hard-boiled eggs, omelets, and even poached eggs without needing a stove. There are many products available. Rapid egg cooker. I have compiled a list of reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful to help you make an informed decision on various features. The right products with different features and prices are determined from top 5 best rapid egg cooker. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker 25510 Review. The Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker is a versatile appliance that simplifies your morning routine with a range of cooking options. Designed for egg lovers, it can make hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, and sous vide-style egg bites with ease. With its 5.25-inch nonstick skillet, you can also scramble, fry, and make fluffy omelets without needing a separate pan. Its compact, user-friendly design saves time and counter space, while the nonstick surface makes for simple cleanup. The appliance offers consistent results thanks to its precise temperature control and auto shutoff feature. This Hamilton Beach egg cooker is perfect for busy kitchens and anyone looking for a quick, healthy breakfast or snack option. Plus, its sleek gray design complements any kitchen decor, making it an ideal addition for egg enthusiasts. Number 2. Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker 12 Capacity Review. The Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that simplifies cooking eggs and more. It has a 12-egg capacity and can prepare hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, and scrambled eggs, along with omelets, with just a single button press. This versatile cooker also doubles as a steamer for vegetables, dumplings, seafood, and more, making it an essential tool for quick, healthy meals. The auto shut-off feature prevents overcooking, so you can set it and focus on other tasks without worry. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, and even travel. Its sleek black design and user-friendly setup make it an attractive, practical addition to any kitchen. With a simple-to-clean, non-stick cooking surface, the Deluxe Rapid Egg Cooker takes the hassle out of meal prep, offering a reliable and efficient way to enjoy a variety of delicious dishes. Number 3. Maoko Rapid Egg Cooker Mini Egg Cooker for Home and Dorm Use. The Maoko Rapid Egg Cooker is a compact and efficient solution that consistently produces perfect eggs. This mini egg cooker can prepare hard-boiled, soft-boiled, and steamed eggs with minimal effort, making it ideal for busy mornings, dorm rooms, or small kitchens. It also uniquely supports making Japanese-style onsen tamago, adding versatility for those seeking new ways to enjoy eggs. The smart design features an automatic shutoff and built-in alarm, so you don't have to worry about overcooking. Just set it up and go. Simple controls complement this cooker's space-saving design, making it easy for any user to use. Whether you're making breakfast, a snack, or prepping for recipes, the Maoko Rapid Egg Cooker consistently delivers outstanding results in minutes, offering a fast, reliable way to enjoy eggs with minimal cleanup. Number 4. Rapid Egg Cooker Electric 6-egg capacity for quick, perfect eggs. This Rapid Egg Cooker Electric is an all-in-one solution for cooking eggs exactly how you like them, whether soft, medium, or hard-boiled, poached, or even as an omelet. With a capacity of up to 6 eggs, it's perfect for quick, nutritious breakfasts or meal prep for the week. Its user-friendly design includes an auto shut-off feature, ensuring your eggs won't overcook and letting you focus on other tasks. Crafted with BPA-free materials, this egg cooker is both safe and simple to use. Simply fill it with water, select your preferred setting, and in minutes, enjoy perfectly cooked eggs. Compact and versatile, this appliance is ideal for busy kitchens, dorm rooms, or any space where convenience is key. Easy to clean and store, this egg cooker streamlines your breakfast routine, making it a must-have for anyone who loves eggs on demand. Number 5. Chefman Eggmaker Rapid Poacher and Steamer Versatile 6-egg capacity cooker. The Chefman Eggmaker Rapid Poacher is a convenient, multifunctional appliance that quickly prepares eggs just the way you like them. With a capacity to cook up to 6 eggs at once, it offers settings for hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, making it ideal for both solo meals and family breakfasts. This egg maker goes beyond eggs. It also includes a poaching and omelet tray, along with steaming capabilities for vegetables and other foods. The egg maker's BPA-free design guarantees safe cooking, and its ready signal provides precise food completion information. Its compact size and sleek black design fit easily on any countertop, saving time and space in the kitchen. Effortless to clean and simple to operate, the Chefman Egg Maker is perfect for anyone looking for a quick, reliable way to prepare healthy meals with minimal fuss. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.